Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. 88 Rising, Nikki here with a song called Split. So this one is a cool song here, pretty much the same through the entire song here. We have two different styles of playing here. So we will try to incorporate a couple of notes into a strumming, very easy. So let's start with the capo here set on the 3rd fret. And we have a couple of chords to go through here. So let's start here with the C. Alright, so that will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have E. So open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. When we have A minor, so open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have three different variations of F here. First, we have the standard F, so you bar all strings here on the 1st fret, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Then we have the F minor 7. So you keep your bar here on the 1st fret, all strings, and the rest will be only 3rd on A. And finally, we have the F minor. Alright, so that is still the bar here on the 1st fret, all strings, and the rest will be 3rd on A and 3rd on D. And those are the chords. Alright, so we have this intro melody for 2 rounds going on, and you will play that one also for the verse. So it goes like this. 1 down on F, 1 down on E, and then comes the strumming that we will use for this song. It will be down, up, clap. Okay, so we'll try that with this chord here, the C, down, up, clap, down, up, clap. So pretty easy there. So 1 down on F, 1 down on E, down, up, clap. Then comes a couple of notes here, 3rd on A and 1st on D. Okay, so this is C part. Yeah, we can go even from the beginning here. F, E, and C will sound like this. So C, down, up, clap, and immediately these 2 notes. And then comes the E chord here again. The down, up, clap. And then comes the A minor. The same strumming, down, up, clap. Alright. So that is one chord progression here. F, E, C, E, and A minor. So let's repeat this. Okay, then you're gonna start all over again with the F, 1 down, and E, 1 down, and then comes again C here, down, up, clap, and then comes the notes open E and 3rd A. Alright, and then you're gonna play the E, down, up, clap, and the A minor, down, up, clap. And then you have these notes on the D string, 3rd fret, 2nd fret D, and open D. Alright, and these 3 notes, they replace the F and E 1 down. Okay, so if you choose to play these notes, you could do, that's optional, then you will skip the F and E when you play the next round here. Okay, so that is how you handle this melody here. So these 3 final notes on the D string, they replace the F and the E, and if you skip these 3 notes, of course you need to play the F and E. All right, So that is how you do it. So we went through the intro here, but you will continue with this one for the verse here. So you will play that for 4 rounds. So one round will be okay, like this. So that will be for 4 rounds. And after these 4 rounds, you will play 2 down up claps for the F major 7. Okay. And then 2 rounds for the F minor only. And you're gonna end with another round with this C. Okay, so maybe I was not clear enough about the verse here, because in the verse here you would play this strumming only, so only down up clap for each chord, and the chords will be C, E, A minor and F. So I think I forgot to mention that, but that is how the first verse goes. So down up clap on C, down up on E, down up on A minor and down up on F. So 4 rounds of that. Okay, E, A minor, F, so 4 rounds, and then comes this F minor 7, 2 rounds, and then F minor, 2 rounds, and another final round of the C, E, the A minor, and the F. So that will be the first verse, okay? The next verse will be played in the exact same way, and that leads us to the first chorus. The chorus starts with the lyrics, "Guess I'm forever caught between 2 worlds." Okay, so there you're gonna continue this strumming here. I'm gonna play 2 rounds of the F minor 7, so and the F minor 2 rounds, and then you're gonna go back to this C, E, A minor, and F. Only one down for, one strumming for each chord. And then you go back again to this F minor 7, 2 rounds for that chord. And F minor, 2 rounds. And then C 1 time, E 1 time, A minor 1 time. And on this F here, in the lyrics, always part of me missing. Only 1 down on this one. And then 1 down on the F minor. And you're gonna end with 2 rounds of C, E, A minor, F. So a second round. Okay. E, A minor, and F. So that was the chorus. Just to repeat this one, it will be 2 rounds of F minor 7 and 2 rounds of F minor. Okay. And then you're gonna play 1 chord progression of the C, E, A minor, F, 1 strumming for each chord, and then you go back and play the F minor 7 2 rounds and F minor 2 rounds, and then you go back and play the C, E, A minor for strumming here, but on the last F and F minor that comes right after, you just play 1 down for each chord, and then you end with the C, E, A minor, F for 2 rounds, and that is the chorus. And from there on, it pretty much repeats itself here. We have a third verse played in the same way as other verses, and then comes the second chorus played in the same way as we just learned. And with these final chords and this chorus here, the F and the F minor, you just play 1 down for each chord. So you will skip this last C, E, A minor, F 2 rounds of that. You just skip those and you play just 1 down for the F and F minor. And that is how this cool song Splits ends. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this one, and if it was helpful, please let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. and you will get some great songs, new and even some old goodies. A great mix. So see you soon, guys, and don't forget, play tuned.